Hi, Erin. I want to show you really quickly how to look at our database Films on Demand. This is the 92nd or less version on this resource. You'll go to the library homepage, e-resources. This is one of our library databases. I guess it's considered a primary database because it's really right up front in our specialized databases page. You don't have to dig any further. Click there. And they have some, again, most popular, it's almost like TED Talks in a way. You can browse through those. Basic search or an advanced search. Advanced search, similar, you can do a keyword search just as the basic search lives up there. Advanced search also lets you do things that you typically find in a database. You can narrow down by subject area. So if you wanted to look at, in particular, I don't know, garbage processing from a scientific point of view, you could certainly do that, like decomposition and things like that. If you want to look at garbage processing from a sociological point of view, with more of that lean, you can do that. And of course, it's a very interdisciplinary topic. It's kind of fascinating. And I think we should do a lecture series on that now that I think about it. One of the great things about Films on Demand, though, I do want to mention is that within Canvas, you can embed Films on Demand clips with one zap over. So when you're in Canvas, there's a link for different media. YouTube's one of them, Films on Demand's another. You can just pop any film right in there. It's pretty useful. You can have your students find films and talk about a documentary or a film they found, or just a clip. So that's one thing you can also do, is you can limit by clips and such. So this is, I'm sorry, now it's going to be the 2.5-minute version of garbage. I'm just going to type in garbage. I didn't limit by copyright date or anything like that. What comes up is segments, but you can see it's from these segments. Sometimes you'll get full films. Right now I'm just saying segment. Within these segments, you'll see this is from a larger title, Garbage, another way of seeing it. You click there, that'll take you to the entire series. This is from Modern Models from the Garbage Business. So, but all of these are from this Garbage, another way to see it. Oh, a slum city, this is I can't. Really interesting. So, and you can see how long all the clips were. You may have noticed that. So you can see if you wanted to focus just in on, a quick, I don't know, 7-minute click, you could look at that. You could have your students watch the full video, which is 30 minutes. You can really utilize either one. What was the other one? Modern Models. Kind of interesting. My computer's kind of slow, but it's going to do the same thing. I'm actually almost just curious, except we're having a problem with our easy proxy at that moment, of course, right? But you get the idea, I think. So something really helpful and useful that we already own and have access to. Okay, well, nice to not see you, but see you. Bye.